All right, good morning, Bobcats. I'm gonna walk you through how to navigate your folders this week to see what all it's in there and what all you can do. Hopefully, this won't take too long, but just a quick little video on how to do that. So again, you just click on your course. I'm gonna click on second period, and so you see in the right plus second period. I'll put updates up here as well, so you see today is Friday. I'm making this, and so module test introduction need to be done by that past Friday. But again, everything's the same right here, right? Even the last week, eventually we'll take this down. And so you see we have a lot more stuff to do this week. So it's all the same stuff in here. His discussion, we can do our quotes and stuff. This is a must-see video if you have the time. But again, the purpose of this video is to show you how to use a folder. So I'm gonna click on Face of Freedom, and it's a red folder. So it opens up. All right, and so here are all your stuff you need to do on the Face of Freedom. All right, so this is just part of what you have to do. I told you it's going to be a lot. And so I have a note-taking document for you to use. I have a PowerPoint for you to use. Sorry, the PowerPoint was supposed to be first. So if you're looking in there and it's not exactly in order, just double check. It'll be okay. I try to make sure they are though. And so you can just click on this PowerPoint right here, and it's going to open up for you. And this goes in line with your reading assignments, what you should be reading in the lesson. All right, so that's why I call it Face of Freedom. And here I tell you what you need to know for EOC, vocabulary words to focus on for this week, well, for this lesson, big picture questions. All right, and then you see it's a schoology assignment, page 1. All right, so this is the question you need to be able to answer in schoology assignment, page 1. And I have that for each one of them right here. All right, I have that. And so if you come to this page right here, it says Compromise of 1877, not in schoology. That means it's not in our reading, but you still need to know it. So I put that right there for you. And see there's page 3, and I try to put pictures in here for you in page 4. So these questions go with it right here. They go with what you're reading about on page 5. All right. And this one right here, these are some good videos to watch. All right, so I'll put stuff in there for like any extra information that's not covered or something great video or something to watch. I'll put that in there. So I'll tell you, pay attention to Pap Singleton and Jim Crow laws. This is Pap Singleton. And so then the last one right there. So again, you'll have that there. You can also download it by clicking the download button and then saving it to your computer so you can use it that way. So just to get back out of here, I'm gonna go back to Face of Freedom. All right. Again, PowerPoint, here's a note-taking document you can do. It's the same thing. You can open it up. And I have something where you can see questions a little bit more clear, more simple. So it's the same thing as a PowerPoint, it's just written on a Word document. So I still put notes in there as well for you. And again, you can download it so you can write on it for notes, and you can do the split screen or your choice. Continue walking you through the folder. Here's the actual lesson. All right, here's the actual lesson for you. All right, and so you're wondering, well, you're saying Schoology assignment, page 1 or page 2. What's that mean? Well, that's referring to this right here. All right, so you see it says page 1. You see it says page 2. Sorry, page 2. This is page 2. And so in those PowerPoints or on that Word document, those questions align with these numbers up here. So this would be page 3. All right, see KKK. And if we remember, page 5 was Pap Singleton. Right, so in here, that's where you don't get that at. All right, now Pap Singleton's not mentioned in here. That's why I have that video that says pay attention to Pap, but it talks about the exegesis right here, and that's referring to Pap Singleton. All right, we'll talk about that in class. And so that's kind of how I align it for you to help you out with your reading and what you're supposed to know, and so that way you can kind of see that way. Again, the page numbers on your reading and your lesson align with your PowerPoints right here. And then here you have an assignment right here, a discussion you need to do is your writing assignment, and then your quiz. All right. Again, for submissions, this is show you real fast. I'm gonna view the course as a student. Again, I don't know how it's gonna really work for y'all, but so this is what a student's would look like. And so we're going to submit an assignment, then you come over here and you would just submit it. But see, I guess because I'm a teacher, I can't actually submit an assignment. So it should be over here where you submit the assignment. All right. So yeah, hopefully that's helpful for you. This is how you navigate through them. And so you do it for each one of them. Okay. So you would have, again, you do for westward expansion. So you see westward expansion opens up as well. So all these folders open up. So make sure you do each one of these folders. All right. And then you have your summative grade at the end. All right. Well, I hope that's helpful for you guys. Hope you have a good weekend, or having a good week. Sorry, probably watching this video the next week. Hope you have a good week and enjoy learning from y'all and learning about y'all. Have a good day, guys. Peace.